What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best oil drain pans on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Chapin International Oil Drain Container. Avoid spills and extra cleanup with Chapin 7800512 Quart 11.4-liter oil drain pan. With its low profile, it easily slides under most ATVs, tractors, lawn mowers, motorcycles, and other vehicles with low clearance less than 5 inches tall. Used oil needs to be recycled properly and we make it less of a chore. The large tank area gives you plenty of space for splash-free collection. The tank is leak-free and the built-in handles make it easier to carry. Use it to drain oil, coolant and other additives. Made in the USA with 80% recycled plastic. 100% recycled polymer, guilt-free from environmental concerns. The tank is made from 100% recycled polymer, better for the environment and less in the landfill. Leak-free gasket. Rubber gasket in shower head eliminates leaks. It adds a barrier between the head and the watering neck to limit any leaks while watering, so no wasted drops of water or your fertilizer. Made in the USA with global materials, designed and produced in the USA with US-based customer service and technical support, located at Chapin's home base in Batavia, New York. In our list, the number 4 product name is NEIKO Oil Drain Pan. Draining oil, gasoline, or any other automobile fluids can now be fast and clean process. The tough and durable polyethylene oil drain pan holds up to 2 gallons, making it ideal for everyday oil changes, and large handles makes it easy to transport. The spout attached easily helps you drain your fluids into any large opening. Quality. Oil drip tray is constructed of high quality, recyclable lithium plastic that is resistant to corrosion, so your oil pan will remain durable for carrying oil, gasoline, and antifreeze. Convenient, anti-splash curled lip edge prevents any splashing that can occur while moving the pan. Size deep 5x 12.55 pan can hold a high capacity up to 2 gallons, 8 liters, making it the perfect oil pan for oil changes. A portable, easy grip handles on both sides of the pan makes for easy transportation. An attached spout makes for easy draining into large openings. Compact, sturdy handle makes for convenient hanging when not in use, and low profile makes it easy to store away. In our list, the number 3 product name is SLMOTO Oil Drain Pan. This oil drain pan is ideal for home garage use or professional auto shop use. The oil drain pan's capacity allows user to drain multiple engines before having to empty for recycling or waste. Low profile design for easy maneuverability. Reduce the mess and cleanup required when changing the fluids on your motorcycle. This reusable drain pan is designed specifically for use with low vehicles. Low-profile design fits easily under standard height and lowered motorcycles and slips beneath the bike even when on the side stand. Will capture 2 engine oil changes or the complete drain fluids, engine oil, primary and transmission, from one motorcycle, large enough to catch the oil from the entire length of the primary and is sized to hold and drain an inverted primary covering. Convenient carrying handle simplifies transport. Reduce the mess and cleanup required when changing the fluids on your motorcycle. This reusable drain pan is designed specifically for use with low vehicles. Low profile design fits easily under standard height and lowered motorcycles and slips beneath the bike even when on the side stand. Cleaner oil changes. This Scepter oil pan keeps your driveway and garage floor clean, eliminating spills and ensuring minimal cleanup. The 7.3 quart container is great for engine oil, hydraulic fluid, transmission fluid, and antifreeze. Convenient lidded opening. The large lidded opening of this oil catch pan eliminates spills and ensures minimal cleanup, while the lid screws securely in place for mess-free transport. Molded hand grips provide easy carrying and draining for recycling. Removable drain filter plug screen. The drain opening screen of the oil drain container provides a convenient place to allow oil filters to drain before disposal and prevents debris and oil drain plugs from falling into the pan. Gasketed drain spout. The oil drip pan has a drain spout that features a gasketed cap that is tethered to the pan, allowing for easy draining while preventing leaks and drips. Heavy-duty design. The Scepter AM07029 oil change pan is sturdy and resistant to chemicals and solvents, ensuring long-lasting use. Durable high-density polyethylene will not rust, dent, or corrode dimensions. In our list, the number one product name is OEMTOOLS Portable Oil Drain Pan. Our OEMTOOLS 87,034 green 4-gallon portable oil drain pans make excellent universal drip pans and work perfectly in automotive shops. This 4-gallon motor oil drain pan is ideal for use as a transmission oil drain pan, motor oil drain container, or antifreeze drip pan, and this oil catch pan also makes a great radiator drain pan. Our 16-quart drain container features an easy-to-use pour spout and a no-splash lid that reduce spills while carrying the round oil drain pan from place to place. This oil catch bucket also comes with 3 ergonomic carrying handles for efficient portability and easy pouring. The space-saving stackable design make these oil catch pans for changing oil as durable, easy to use, and thoughtfully designed as any shallow oil drain pan around. The oil and coolant catch pan is constructed with chemical-resistant polyethylene to be long-lasting while remaining lightweight and easy to use. With these oil drip pans, home mechanics can easily dump waste oil back into their emptied oil jugs after an oil change. And professional mechanics can easily dump used oil into their waste oil containers or oil recycling containers with this auto oil drip pan.